Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over how to use your Govee TV lights on a computer monitor. So the different sizes that Govee TV backlights come in is like 45 to 55, 55 to 65, and then it jumps up to like 75 to 85. So if you have a monitor that's like 30 to 40 inches, make sure you buy the smallest length size. You're going to loop the adhesive light strip on your monitor so it doubles up when you paste it. So it's entirely possible to still use a 45 to 55 adhesive light strip from the Govee TV Backlight 3 and use that on your monitor to actually have your monitor actually display backlights. I've seen it work before. I've seen other people work it before. All you have to do is loop the adhesive light strip. So looping just basically means to actually double up on the actual adhesive light strip so that it overlaps together. It's going to lead to a more vibrant color actually, because it's not just a singular row of adhesive light strip being used. Now you have one adhesive light strip and then the double loop is going right next to it. It's going to lead to a more vibrant color, which is actually nice. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know down below. I'll leave a link down below to my Govee TV light up setup. Check it out for yourself.